Hello and welcome to this lesson on expanding two brackets. By the time you finish this video, you will be able to understand how to expand two brackets by multiplying each term in one bracket with each term in the other bracket. Apply two common methods used in algebra to expand expressions, the FOIL method and the grid method. Lastly, simplify expanded expressions by combining like terms to write the final answer in its simplest form. Let's get started. To expand two brackets, there are two common methods we can use. The first method is called the FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last, which helps us remember the order of multiplying the terms in the brackets. The second method is the grid method. This method uses a simple table or grid to organize the multiplication of each term from one bracket with each term from the other bracket. Both methods follow the same idea. Every term in the first bracket must be multiplied by every term in the second bracket. Now let's look at the FOIL method step by step. Step 1. Multiply the first terms in each bracket. Step 2. Multiply the outer terms and the inner terms. Step 3. Multiply the last terms, add all results, and combine like terms. Now let's apply this to the example. X plus 2 times x plus 3. First, the first term. Multiply x and x times x equals x squared. Next, the outer term. Multiply x and 3. X times 3 equals 3x. Now the inner term. Multiply x and 2. X times 2 equals 2x. Now we add and combine like terms. 3x plus 2x equals 5x. Finally, the last term. Multiply 3 and 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. So the final answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now let's learn the steps for the grid method. Step 1. Write the terms across the top and down the side of a 2x2 grid. Step 2. Multiply each pair of terms to fill the 4 boxes in the grid. Step 3. Add the 4 results together and combine like terms. Now let's look at the example x plus 2 times x plus 3. First, place the terms on the grid. Write x and positive 3 across the top. Write x and positive 2 down the side. Now multiply the terms to fill the grid. X times x equals x squared. X times 3 equals 3x. 2 times x equals 2x. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now add the results and combine like terms. 3x plus 2x equals 5x. So the final answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Remember, the idea is to multiply the terms to fill the grid. Now let's dive into some exam-style practice questions. You can pause the video and try yourself. Expand x plus 2 times x minus 5. This question is worth 5 marks. Let's solve it using the FOIL method. First, the first term's x times x equals x squared. Next, the outer terms. X times negative 5 equals negative 5x. Now the inner terms. 2 times x equals 2x. Next, the last terms. 2 times negative 5 equals negative 10. Now we add and combine like terms. Negative 5x plus 2x equals negative 3x. So the final answer is x squared minus 3x minus 10. Now let's look at practice question 2. Expand 2x plus 1 times x minus 6. This question is also worth 5 marks. Let's solve it using the FOIL method. First, the first terms. 2x times x equals 2x squared. Next, the outer terms. 2x times negative 6 equals negative 12x. Now the inner terms. 1 times x equals x. Next, the last terms. 1 times negative 6 equals negative 6. Now we add and combine like terms. Negative 12x plus x equals negative 11x. So the final answer is 2x squared minus 11x minus 6. Now let's move to the last question. Expand 2p plus 4q times 3p minus 5q using the grid method. This question is worth 5 marks. Let's solve it using grid method. First, write the terms in a 2x2 grid. Now multiply each pair of terms. 2p times 3p equals 6p squared. 4q times 3p equals 12pq. Negative 5q times 2p equals negative 10pq. Negative 5q times 4q equals negative 20q squared. Now add and combine like terms. 12pq plus negative 10pq equals 2pq. So the final answer is 6p squared plus 2pq minus 20q squared.